Jacqueline, and I'm back with another factory order. Today we have a 2022 Dodge Charger HELLCAT widebody SRT. It definitely is a mouthful to say, but it's definitely worth all the names that it's given.
Hi guys, how are we doing today?
Hey, this is Sebastian.
Hey guys, I just stopped by and said hello.
This is the main guy who you're going to be contacting. I'm going to leave all his contact information below, his email and his phone number so we can get started. But I mean, it's such a surprise to meet
There we
the
go.
one and only.
Yeah.
The other introduction that we were going to do today is Jezabel.
Hi guys, welcome back.
She's going to kind of go over the steps that we do to factory order so that way you guys know the process and you guys kind of know what you guys are going to be
Getting
doing.
yourselves into, absolutely. So it couldn't be any simpler than the way we make it for you guys here. The best way to go is to either Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram.com, build your own vehicle, send it to myself and or Sebastian's email, which you guys met him. You guys can go ahead and put all that information in there. Once we do that, there's a little back and forth, put a deposit on the vehicle, make sure everything is okay. Once that goes through, takes about 3 months to about, 6 months, give or take, depending on the vehicle. And once that's done, I make sure to continue to speak to you throughout the whole process until you receive it. This customer couldn't be happier.
And they also were able to stay at M.S.R.P.
M.S.R.P.
Yes, guys, when you factory order, you do not have to pay over. I mean, that wait is worth it because you get to customize the vehicle exactly how you like as well. I mean, and especially when car buying, you want exactly what you're paying for because it's not a little penny that we're spending here either, guys.
No, not at all. And like she said, M.S.R.P. only, we stress that because in the market we're in right now, that's the best way to go.
It really is. We're going to leave all of our contact information below. Mine, Jezabel, and Sebastian's phone numbers and emails. We hope to hear from you guys soon. But, Jez, how about you let us hear that roar?
I couldn't wait to get inside. So let's go ahead, get that roar for you. And we'll see you guys in the next installment. This one should be shipping out by Monday. And I'm thinking he'll be getting it by Tuesday. Thanks, guys.
Bye!